all the upstage Bataba, all the upstage. Near Bomshulos upstage, Tofu, Manipula now we are Nizuram, all in Apathil Water. Show this view. Right now I'll hand over to the coordinator to Isifun de Lama Credentials, who is a spawner which is Yakori Dana. Over to you, Comrade Tommy.
Mada! To come short, I think we'll deal with the apologies later on, or should I deal with them now as part of our credentials? One of the apologies I've received is from a comrade Junior coordinator said he's currently hospitalized for those of us who are and the Ward 24 coordinator, she requested to be excused early because he's got an early departure. Those are the only apologies we have. In terms of the numbers that we have, it's only Ward 25 that is not here. Therefore, out of 17 wards, we've got 16 wards. Therefore, we do correct. Amanda.
That's our comrade. Then to hand over here since the meeting. Richie, over to you.
I was appointed, and I believe it was not because of the young and whoever who recommended my name, I command the approval, corner of the so hello Matawana, I would in the laws or the important to the Vanilla. I would say Matawana, you would see the response and Masanga Makut. One is Matawana, renting to medicine smoking card. There was a medical education, I'm sure leadership. Isazo boya is a little bit. Important Makawani kumele ngikusho ukuthi ngicela uapologize ukuthi last time masimbize kanje ngangisikhombuza. The timing or the isikhathi esivumelene ngaso ne sub-regional detachment it was not the right timing. Mawubheka isikhathi sokuchayisa ngoma 4 o'clock basta endleleni nani. So eventually we have learned samamela ukhombe boyo wasitshela ukuthi khombe even if no ngathi 6 amanda masizoza. So we thought we would survive in 6 nani kanti siyaqala into ukuthi umntwana wami uthini sona sabikho. So politically speaking we were wrong comment. That's why we are apologizing. On behalf of regional detachment, njengomuntu bekadeployed nokhombe source scholar, we apologize. Makabani, I'm sure nonke seni-aware ukuthi why size la. But if ningekho aware, the purpose of the meeting Makabani ukucombine ama sub-regional issues. Lawo bwali okhombe boyo nakhombe college. Ayenza ngala Makabani contribute ngamapolice silent so sizoza la announce umtshela ukuthi i-National High Command recognize ama sub-region I5. So as a result we are instructed to combine I don't know why Melbourne East, southeast. Yeah. So I don't know, but there was a reason, comrade, and I suspect it was a question administration, comrade. But unfortunately, to combine our effort under Greater Benoni, we need to combine the whole sub-region to make it the eastern sub-region. So, Nilana Makabani will announce that, and then also seek guidance from Gil what we think will best work, which is coordinated Lama sub-regional tool. The southeast, the east sub-region, Agmera sub-regional tool, So, Angzama allows to dissolve any structure, we just need to come with an interim structure that will take us forward. We are busy waiting for the National High Command to discuss go ahead in the consultation with Peace Mayo. They will appoint the East Sub-region or a sub-region while I go there. So here postpone your structure. It was possible to be the President room, which went very well. And I was also told to thank all the people who were involved in mobilizing. And it's unfortunate to message my brother comrade, people who were catered for the transport. It was our coordinators and conveners, but I recommend they was told you with Bamaya. Indeed, we call it on a Protea Hotel, I mean the hall. So he brought here on Makabani I must say, and on behalf of National High Command, the program NCC, Chadu Boma, comrade level by board. Now we're going to walk-ins. T-shirt. So I'm not sure what the provincial detachment is like a T-shirt. Now. The same issue in passage, as a result of the way we call them a call. The number that was planned, it was planned for confidence and coordinators, but there was indeed expectation which we have accomplished. There was about Kahin, so si Bella si shine ni Gauteng judgment is under the process is also called as we always release and we discontinue our consultation for the sub-regional detachment. but you must expect my announcement by East sub-region. So even today, Makawan will agree to leaders combine the two, things are going interim, but I don't think we need to elect anyone. It was come to us in to say about ngizwa bokomrade basho ukuthi bakhithwa abobani waphointwa abobani. So hey, no question there is one for some of us because the constitution of contest has with it. So angazi macabani kune IDP ekhona la, and I don't wish ukuthi ngibe mude for yona. Mina ngizocela ukubongela the south the east sub-region, particularly on 18 or 68. Attended there Macabani transition.
I know when you check the position of court, it's I think it's 5 and 12 VDs, if I'm not mistaken. When you also consider that thing, that's my request. Okay,
it will be based on the consultation. Yes, we know we have on condo, and we know it is. You understand? But I don't think I approach it to Sabati. Especially if they came in an organization. Appreciate the organization. There's an ATM that is coming to join in conversation. You cannot afford to exclude their leadership. There are people who are coming from EFF that join EAC. There are people who are coming from EFF, about for September. There's no need to destroy school. They follow the leader. But because of they needed something, they had the right timing, then they announced. Understand? Yes, we have a song is we have EFF before. I'm going to say September. Even we have ATM so basically, as long as there's a progressive process, like the event is going. Put to President Zuma Marastela, who wish I would actually control the movement, not the political party. So we need not to exclude the well, maybe that will come as a very comrade in the corner before leaders like consider another. But at the same time, if the consultation is no local, China will comment accordingly. If the High Command will decide that through the province, because if you want to know what you can tell about what you can decide what is something for us, sample, experience that. So it's like that comment. So there are two again comment. That is Southeast East region issue. So I combine just for the discussion for this easy. And if it's nice, I will I'm sure Slava Creek will be part of the see this in School.
Chairperson Siabong, Siabuzwa, Buma point or Shina Yabego commander. I've only got few points. In fact, number one about the question. What, if I may ask, what's the reason behind why do you want to disband the Southeast and the East South region? What would be the reason, if I may ask? Number two, can we have appointment letters? Because as if we let us go to see to Commander Lamini, say our point to a position, so there's nothing that talks to that. Because this is an organization, we are not playing cards. That is number two. Number three, it's very, very important to vet our commanders. The vetting is very, very important because singaba abantu uthola ukuthi kunama commander esazi ukuba amagundwane la. So izinto ezinjengalezo as i-region itsela ukuthi nisconsider they are very, very much important. Point number four. I also need a clarity in terms of the constitution, Yom Konto regarding the commander holding 2 or more positions. Does it allow? Last one, we need to also consider the gender balance. In Bogoto Lama Pande says born as azikho etafuleni sibono yedwa mama, which means siyaba discriminate. Masifuna ukuhamba nale nto is very much important ukuthi sibabeke elonini. Lastly, sikugile mina njengami sengigijimela ku-50. Siyayidinga i-youth mayifakwe. Ucomrade Dlamini ngoba ngikhuluma nje ihambile iminyaka. Yeah, kuzomela ukuthi asifuni ukusogola makahlezi asisakwazi ukuclose. Thank you.
Mandla. Makabani sisi nishayele izandla ukhombe lokho ukukhuluma nalo landela
Amanda. Wethu. Jela mkondo sizo chijela. Forward in sub reaching is forward. Commander's morning. Commander Smart Law from Air 165. Firstly, health force we coordinator with him. Even before ngiyacabanga ukuthi i-East Valley ne-Greater Benoni and all the way in day one. So ngiyacabanga ukuthi the reason yele why ukuthi as-speed up is true, it was administrative purposes. So i-suggestion yami ukuthi kule current leadership record we check with because into esishaya kakhulu comrades sinama-ward afuna ama-visits nama-ward afuna ukuthi avuselele. We need comrades who could be able to run the organization even through business hours day-to-day times. So then this was because we are very behind in terms of activating our wards. To say the current leadership record, if we say because it's still an interim, hence we are waiting for the appointment sooner than later. Maybe we beef up East structure, this is corner, both the east and the southeast. Then Sibon would beef up Aganjan up until
since this is the southeast and then it's not the east territory. Yamauti Anga, the 110, 29, 81. It affects Mama Bishop like before. Bunga Buti, Utoluti, Each is not presented. Because long up a slash, Gune Teviton, Gune Toto Teviton, and then Gune one big belonging up on the other side. So Gune top 4 is going to be very important comrades. Must say the city east is slain, it a flame. Spawn Guti, Itoto Teviton, he presented, it a flame. It Teviton, he presented. And then the other side, he presented. It's very important comrades. Other thing comrades. I Abunga Apon to Abantu, Utotu Munte Otin comrades. Ufunu kita is preaching, but Otin by 5 or by 10. It's a problem. Who are you leading? Because you must lead in your ward, you must come with numbers. You must first command your ward. Then we'll see, no, comrade, we are servants. Because comrade, politics, it's a game of numbers. You can't command us if in your ward, ni 70 or ni 60. No. You must command your ward. Small ungene lapha hayi ngobungani ungene ngomsebenzi on the ground. That is very important comrades. Other thing comrades ningayibeka leadership as leadership comrades. But before my election comrades abo comrades uThama abo comrades uRose abo comrades uThuli my election bonke abo comrades abaphezulu sebenza kanzima comrades cast because there's a gap between i-region inani ne-sub-region. And then man to beg leadership and was big leadership bese nayekela kanjalo. So mina I'm happy that mthetho ungena manje but niyabonisa ukuthi nisondelene nani nama comrade. That is very important so that makunenkinga ezikhona ku sub-region sazi ukuthi ucomrade uCastro ukhona ucomrade uJomo ukhona ucomrade ubanibani ukhona so that ezinye izinto sigcina sezibosha organization but are the things that are supposed to be resolved by region comrades I submit. Can remove it, but what we don't want to do is to copy other organizations. So, for me, Makabani, I'm sure the answer I'm coming is the same thing. Would you want the recognition according to the demarcation called the 5 sub-regions? And if you can check, even the organization, they are like that. The Uncontroversies that decided for administrative purpose to divide into 2. That was even the regional detachment decision for that matter. It was not a province, it was not a national. Then it went to go and motivate why it did that. So as a result, because of the CCM election, then the province adopted and the national interim code adopted. So I'm trying to remember as Amanyama Kodashido, but which I'm going to ask the next 5 to assist us with. It's an issue proposal. Comment will say put a proposal. Put as divided as they were before. Split the southeast in the east. Or we combine them and then do something. Because of as this meeting, the organization to move forward. I might not have a mandate to appoint anyone. But if this meeting says to me, Comment Council, we are collapsing the meet to one, and this is how we're going to put it. I'll go and do that. As long as it will help the organization to move. Bathola ukuthi basebenze kanjani but mina for ilanga le purpose singayo namhlanje ngizama ukuthi ngisupport umbono kaCommander Smart lapha ya Commander Check uzamile ukusho ukuthi i-sub-region ile interim mayiqhubeke but uzanye ukuthi at least njengoba kunama coordinators ayi-2 if I'm not mistaken azama ukuthi omunye abe yi-convener omunye abe deputy convener, the coordinator, deputy coordinator, so that basebenzisane and yonke information eyenzakalayo ku sub-region ingene ku-say one. Ayokuthi enye east enye ku south east. Yes, ngumbono wami. Yebo.
Kwaza mkhonto kwaza. Ngisukuma nobonga chairperson. Ngizosupporta namumbono kaBusi ukuthi let's combine these two okwamanje angisho nesayohlala ne-access and then isiphe ukuthi nohamba isikhathi esingaka so that singadreki izinto yakithi so ni-aponde naweni abomdala but okwamanje depends kwalo mbono lo oyenziwe nangokomriti abajuti let's give those as two sub-region babe-combine umsebenzi uqhubeka and then sizozwa ngani ne-region but asimthuma ukuthi Nyambo ayawa.
Since I continue the interim structure, numbers because of India's issue with numbers. You would take Yakokele, completely. Yakokele. Comrade Castro. Sibonge ukuthi ukhona as an employee, but I think ngizoqala ngokuthi le letter ichaza ukuthi kuzoza i-deputy coordinator and ne-organizer. So ngathi asizwanga i-apology, however mhlawumbe uzoza sibonge ukuthi ukhona and uyakwazi ukuthi uyilele uyabona ukuthi
take inquiries. Take inquiries.
Okay. No, I think we do say it fast. Yeah. So, siyabonga lapho Comrade Castro. Ngicela ukuthi ngiyengene kulamazwi kaComrade uSibiya njengoba sichazile but just ukuthi ngifanye because of the isikhathi ngakho ukuthi sihamba i-IDP iyashiya lapha yana because okubalekile ukuthi masingamacabani angeke ulead abantu but ungana information kumele uthathe information bese ulead abantu mind ukuthi sibule lona yama door to doors abantu bazokubuza nge-information but wena awunayo but wena uthi Comrade then izosidinga kanjani ukhona i-question ekuzocabana la one position one man. I think ikhuluma ngendaba ye-political space and i-governance. I think that one has to be clear. Comrade Castro fanele ukuthi manihamba at least imphatha umphako implastic lakho ngibone then uthele phakathi ukuthi at least lesibuzele ukuthi if ever khulunywa ngelona nge-one man one position ku-political space kumele icace ukuthi if uku-political space
then une-right ukuthi ungaphatha ama-cap ayi-2 we-Women's League ne-political speech which is i-Mara body. Why? Because of that one zifola under in i-political space. Then sifuna ukuthi sithole i-clarity lapho so that ingayenzi ngathi lento iza ngami, but sifuna ukuthi si-understand because of our mama bazofuna ukulida and balile ku-Women's League at the very same time bafuna ukulida ku-Mara body. Then same applies to e-youth league Mara body because of parallel with 13 to 30. So which means Mara 13, then it allows you to be Mara body. So then we say understand that I think so now ingene kule ndimane yakho comrade Castro nokuthi lesicela ukuthi uma sesiza isikhathi sama recommendations asiza many because of umkhonto wesizwe manje ukuthi ufonywa umkhonto wesizwe party ufonywa yini umkhonto which is NK. So many understand ukuthi mawi member yomkhonto kumele ube discipline sicela ukuthi nibheke le behavior yama comrade. Why isho kanjani? Uthola ukuthi ikheda lithunyiwe amasebe we-ward then uyahamba uyojiva i-report ayikho.
Chairman we-session okwami nje ukusekhonda ama-proposal kodwa hey ngifisa ngiqala ngokubona yazi yasinetha imvula engangele bala kule sabridge angazi ngizothini kodwa nje kuyakhomba ukuthi ungena kwenu kulesikhathi esincane niyakhona ukusizwa ngaba ukuthi inkinga sezizophela noma zosephelile ngisabridge into nje esele yilento oqale ngayo ukuthi political matwa leyadingeka kakhulu kodwa nje ke engiqonde kukho cha chairman mina njengami ngiyasekhonda ukuthi leadership le ayiqhubeke ezandla zakwethu uyachaza ukuthi kuseza i-detachment into engenzeka bochairman bawu2 oyiwana kade deputies omunye leyo bazoyixoxa noma nina as leadership ixoxeni ulokuza abo nobhala bawu2 omunye kade deputies omunye and then esingacela ke nje since ama-commander abeke ngodaba lokubhalansa isi-gender nokuthi ke ibe geographical spread asenzama ukuthi bese sibhekela ama-deputy njenga-organizer kodwa angazi ukuthi kodwa siyacela organizer kabe khona bese kuba nama-additional so that umsebenzi njengoba basho muningi ngani zakwethu muningi kakhulu and mina okunye kule leadership ngizocela ngisacela ukuthi after i-regime bese ngiyabuya nesibiza sizothebula iy'nkinga zama-ward nama-VD after lokho nina enikhethiwe bese nivizitha lawo ma-ward that is your duty exercisani ama-duties wethu then engizocela kithi makhomane ngiyacela ama-personal issues wethu ungangibuki ungizonde bese uba nenkinga okanye ngoba siyamemane ekuzondeni nabantu ngicela ukuthi i-leadership lekhona umthethosisekelo kahle kahle kwalokhu kuyifake kune-detachment ukuthi sizonikezwa lethuba kahle kahle bekumele basitshele nokuba bazo-announce abanikeza i-leadership bese siyafolowa bathi sinikezwa ithuba lokuconsultwa sikhone nathi ukuthi sibe ne-input. So ngaleyo ndlela sithi leadership sicela nje manje nisenzele lokho ngoba asazi ukuthi nokuya nini kodwa ke sokushinga ukuthi khona eduze njike kodwa siyabona.
So I'm asking you, commanders, the constitution. Detachment is a problem, Commander Castro. I'm telling you, people, they are very smart. When you speak about different characteristics of human beings, they are very smart. So can you please focus on the detachment? I'm going to modify. I'm concentrate to bring our numbers to the majority. I submit.
I still remain Ubanele chilling on the highest level of command. I do. I think, from me personally, I think, Manje, it's of paramount importance that we avoid redundancy because everything that has been said is being said continuous. And I think we get where the point is. And Mina my point manje engisukuma ngayo is at the point whereby if sizolandela the constitution, then we know and understand ukuthi for the interim to be fully an interim, then we need to have Lokuman ex-official members which consist of a youth league and a women's league. So considering the fact that youth league was disbanded or they were relieved of their duties, can it be a fact that as much as interim will be coming in, can it be complete in terms of ex-official members that will be youth league and women's league? Thank you.
Ukuthi anisebenzi. Iregime hiyo engasebenzi, iregime ekumele iphushe isubregime. Isubregime iye emahhotini. Uma ngabe iregime lele, abizolala ama isubregime. Angeke yenze nix. So ke uma ngabe manje kuhlanganiswa ngokahlanganiswa nje kurahle ihlanganiswe but vuma uma wazi ukuthi akukhokhele uzosebenza. Ene okunye okubaleke kakhulu. Lento abashoyo asusuzondana enhlanganweni. Amazonda swashiye ngale kwegate. Enhlanganweni sibe yi1. Sizoqhubeka. Uma ngabe sizozondana enhlanganweni, asiyi indawo umkhonta windawo. Sizokufa sithi siloywe kana siloya ngomuntu. Abathakathi. So uma singenza kanjalo sizoqhubeka siphambili. And then okunye okubaleke kakhulu, asekele pride. Asihliseni amahlombe. Uma ngabe ukhona umuntu kumele ukuthi uhlise ihlombe ungabi nalo ihlombe. Ngoba lo muntu umuntu ngani? Ulapha etafuleni yila abantu lapha. Uma ngabe uzophuphumalela labantu, uzohlika lapha yana.
Ngoba ngizokhuluma iqiniso. Abaningi benu bazothi election structure yenzana kahle, yini esayenzana kahle yes 0% budget. We've tried, but ngoba abantu ba-ungrateful bazothi
Kule order is 2. Order
Commander Moni. Commander siyaba too excited. Siyaphuma kule item esikiyo. Sibuyise nje.
Okay, as correctly kahle. Maybe with the point my mom mentioned that we were too excited to go. Mkambe na wanti na asset into the exam. Actually uthi yazi kuna abantu sinokuthi masistage ukubuyela umoya. So don't expose me at least ma correct ngicabani amagama nyana lawa azoza ukuthi nga accept order yakho. Ungawafaki. Yabo. So comrade ngiyacela la ukuthi ubele ku agenda item. Singa address meeting addressa me. So do address me
angithrow if unala ngithathe khona la commander samakhonsi. Mr. Castro directed to lento le yokuthi kuyaconsult bangiconsult ngeqiniso. Ungathi ngoba mhlambe ngiyakuzonda mabeza bangibuza ngawe ngithi uCastro uya ekubeni mhlambe uCastro kunala umbutho obenefita khona. Masingabantu sisebenzela umbutho ngendlela esihlukene. And kunalabo abasebenza underground abangafuni ukuexpose indaba yenza embuthweni. So walongo ngihlala phansi.
That is how I treat the rest of us abanye abantu. And nami ngenzakala kunabanye abangithela ukuthi ngiyahlanya. But manindlela ukudila nami yabona. Sasithatha angikholwa ukuthi ngahamba umkhonto ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi lokho. Sacabanga ngantshela into ebuhlungu. Uyazi ukukhuluma kanjani utshela ukuthi sengitshela secret manje utshela ukuthi uzoba deputy convener. Ba announce so deputy convener. Ibuhlungu lento le. Why babamtshela? Yabona. So but if ngabe ngatshelwanga uzomele accept whatever the inipwa ngoba siyazi la kamkhonto from the constitution saqala siya appoint. You understand? Akekho umuntu ozomtshela ukuthi mina nginelungelo lokuba la mkhonto. Ngayizakala nakusasa i-high command ithi baba ngathi uCastro yamoshwa ngathi uCastro sekenza kakhulu ngathi kufuneka la high command. Ngeke ngani uzohamba. You understand? But ikhungu ukuthi utshele isiyajika. Iyadisturb. I'm a human being. Yabona. Uzofuna ezinye izinto but even if they most ukuthi by the way say appoint they are appointing authority according to the constitution is there. Maybe you need to know how to allow. So just accept uqhubeke nayo noma uqhubeka kanjani uzolala after 3 days ube right uqhubeke. Yabona. So if we can learn that comrade it's fine. Uma ukhulume indaba ye-pride. Some of us lana ngikutshela iqiniso asikhulumisani because of pride. Ayikho enye. And siyahlebana because of the pride. Mina ngiyazi ukuthi kunabantu abangihlebayo but angeke bangababuza ukuthi mangababuza mina self phambi kwenu ngeke bakutshela ukuthi bangihlebelani. Banethinking yabo yami ngabo. So but because of ngideciding ngasitshela ukuthi labo bantu labo bade bayilento bayiyo. Ngizobatreat nje bangakhona as long as siqhubeka siya phambili lapha nje izwe lethu libuka. You understand? Mase ngizwa ngathi ngikhathele community people lesi asibizwanga. You understand? So it's simple that even our ANC besizizela but lapho wes siyazizela. Kunabanye bakhe bamiswa ukuthi makathula mngena umuntu ungena ukontrol ikwatho imakanda wena sifuna ngapha. Yabo kukonto kunama detachment amaningi. You understand? Nathi abantu mama nokomesimangele lana mhlambe ukomesimangela into ayenzayo. The fact ukuthi ukusame level nami at the level branch must tell you ukuthi if umuntu lo umuntu wala. But it's also not right complete. Ukomela bakuma ukhulumile la wathi kunabantu aba-appointwayo baphinde babe lazy. You cannot want to appoint them in yourself. It's not going to be lazy. Understand? Babe kusitshela ukuthi mhlambe hayi wena ngoba une-connection no-SGU yakudeploy somewhere la singazi khona. Mara siyazi coordinator is supposed to go to a 12, but coordinator is supposed to go to a 110 or whatever and whatever. Yabona? So bakabani mina ngizocela labo comrade laba abala phambili. Okuqala ithi ngisheke something. Kunama detachment we-South-East ne-East. Kusena abacomrade abangaphi aba-active. Tunga. Amani hlangene lento lena yabona. Hlangene the only thing ukuthi mele sikhiphe. Sikhulume ukuthi sibalayina kanjani. Yabona so that bangasithakeli. Yabona. Bangasithakeli ukuthi awena ngisusilile la kukhona mina ngifunana. Comment boy asithathi la ku-withdraw uzomela istructure esizayo macabani ngiyacela. Comment boy siyacela ukuthi deliver kule detachment siyacela. Ubhalele ino comment boy kathina. So we should in the honest so government number detachment. Our name fortunately thina sa points and commander based whatever the collective. And then upon strategy so correct macabani so national high command how do you approach these things. Was people were to go to the hall macabani also very personal clash, and that is what President Zuma wants to avoid. Understand? Kuna bantu abasithoyile ababuya ku-ANC basithoyile ngoJanuwari this year. Uthola ukuthi mhlambe lo muntu loyo according to high command yafuneka. Sibhalela ngaphandle. Then high command bayimisa bese siyakwathela isikwatele high command. So I think they are trying to avoid that. So in terms of yenza manje ne ukuthi sibumele ukuthi sihlanganisela ama-detachment ayi-2. And kusho khona ukuthi amadlozi mina ngibile amadlozi ngizonqolela ababuya. Yeah. I believe ukuthi I'm an African child. Ekuningi manje ngifuna ukuya lapho ngilanga just go to political debate yalento zama-religion. We are the only nation in Islam that are religion over one. I'm sure Mazi Jawi will have to be a Masango. I'm calling one of the fan. Not like it. So I feel offended because of my people. So, in terms of fair imagine, I'm sure Selis Kabangi within Punaraja. And I remember this is the return structure. But interim structure kanji not to undermine them at the same time. Ngoba interim structure so very special. But also we need not to put them in the way which banikeza pressure ukuthi ngoba nyamaza uthanga strong or uthulu strong or uboy strong or correct whatever that you think of. Just take it easy, comrade. It's an announcement. Guys are ngoba ngasikhathi sisodwa comrade sesihambile yabona. So macabanga ngizocela asibumelaneni ngezandla ngicabanga ukuthi forehand for ukusho ukuthi sibahlanganisa kanjani ne asikhethi macabanga angithi abantu njani yabona. Ngizobheka i-popular view ngoba akunanamba engizoyikhawunta ngizokhetha i-popular view akunanamba engizoyikhawunta ne ya sokuqala la ngizela
then since wena ucomrade uthuli uye umuntu okuthi ukuyimene makayibambe i-coordinator, then sibe no-coordinator from that side, then sibe no-convener this side, then ucomrade uPoyo abe deputy, ucomrade uColin abe i-convener, then ucomrade uThami abe deputy coordinator, a-coordinator ucomrade uThuli. I think injalo.
Phela iphinde simbe izinto ezivile but ngathi iphele manje.
Commander sicela ukuthi ngiphinde kanje. Ucomrade coordinator which is ucomrade uThulu makadeputize ucomrade uThami. Then ucomrade uconvener which is ucomrade uColin makadeputize ucomrade uPoyo. Injalo.
I would say that wathi ucela ukuthi since ayi-1 ucomrade angadeputize ucomrade makaqala kahle ingizwe kahle bekaze nayo kahle manje masekathi yabona la iphazamisa khona kula masekathi uThulu adeputize ngoba ngathi kuyavumelwana konke. So ngiyaqhubeka manje comrade now. Okay, now comrade so ngizophinda then makomedi impela makomedi abayi-3 cela mabakhuluma singabaraseli so that sokubuza ngoba nami into eyangiphazamisa ngoba wonke umuntu uthe makavumelana nokomedi mdalipuli ngalahleka yabona. So ithe masekatshintsha futhi makurasa ngalahleka more. So bakawa comrade now comrade up to comrade son.
Comrade proposal ngibona ngathi iprocess because lo comrade uphilile lapha phambili sicela oyi-1 makakhulume asho ukuthi umhlakule unominate kanye ubhale kakusho kanjani then nobusi kanjani then sizokhona ukuthi sidiscuss sizophinde siye emuva naphambili.
If yami ayihlukanga kakhulu kodwa if yami ithi ucomrade uThuli maka lokhulu ucomrade uColin adeputize ucomrade uThuli ucomrade uThami abe uco-ordinator ucomrade ucomrade uThami abe uconvener adeputize ucomrade iyo eyami secondary.
Comrade, ningazwe ama-secondary ayi-1 maybe yini le wengenza ngakhona ukuthi kube wrong. Ningasabi ukukhuluma. Ngicela ukuze
comrade mina ngoba ngumama yama-view angiphikisani nawo wonke a-right whatever give me suitable. But ngizwe bakhala ukuthi there's no woman as ex-official sikhona bomama angisho khona okwamanje njengoba uCastrachi sikhona as ex-official kule structure sinabomama
Okay, kwenzakala so-ke sekunama-view ayi-2 la mina bengithe beze ngespeed simadiscussa ngibuyele kubo bese ngiza ngizomtshela ukuthi bathi baqabangani balile bathi no yazi ngoba itharim yonke into right yabona. Bese ngiyothi ama-ishato ezi-2 Okay, let me just quickly answer something. Comrade where you clean, ukhuluma ngokuthi ama-structures wabo a-expandiwe nani. Even nathi masikhetha kumele sibaconsidere as ama-ex-officio. Thina sizozwa nge-UCLIC e-official ukuthi nayi us-officio yethu. Asingeni into ze-UCLIC, asingeni into ze-UCLIC. So, masikhetha la, one of the things that we need to consider, even when we appoint, but unfortunately on this one, was another powers, not only another powers. Mabu ya point la, military veteran, it's a consideration. Those who are no longer, and remember why it's in terms of youth demarcation, gender limit, put you at 18, but I believe in a prepare. Mama Shad, I was say youth. Who don't want to date. Mama, I don't I was say youth. Who don't want to date. This thing, you are from the experience. Those of us who want to let the NCU take, expand the museum, I want to see Sikabang Bandawash. Or the spirit, the spirit organization about fast, Namaton, Nabazan, Obazan, school system to Namasikinas in Monday, Tabo Baby. But I want to listen to Tabo Baby over Petty State. So, okay, come back to Karen and we'll get after conversation and come back to or maybe we use the criteria of which is
ukhombe kuthanga wabhala incwadi wathi uyalizana yes so kuya kanjani manje siyamconsider futhi morning leadership
internal structure and then comrade Colin at Kobe, even convener at the
report to them briefly. We discuss Nani Mataba in absentia, the way Sinkanda call. School Mari Ninya. Sasa decided Mari Ninya. So much as women and a song and wouldn't meet in bed. Namias included. You are going to continue leading us in this session up until we figure it judgment day. And we hope that everything will go well. Okay, no, yeah. It's a mistake. But I need to correct. All right, sharp. Comrade Foyo, Comrade Colin, who's over a convener to interim, I think there's a Comrade Foyo. Comrade Sulu, who's over Napala, coordinator, I think there's a Comrade Tan. Never been so, the message in just going to meeting Matawa Wuti, in Chad Wuti, since ngicele ile meeting makabani ukuthi okay makabani asilungiseni manje sesiyakuphethelweni imandate engiyitholile la kule meeting makabani ukuthi since benikula office lawo enikuwo manje it's going to be easy ukuthi nisebenze as a team. Meaning coordination is going to be very much easy to work as a team. Convener office will be very much easy to work as a team. So Makabani, you will share my notes. This leader, Nami Kala Gule Sub-Region. I would love to see mining leader in the proper way. They will see. I don't want to say much, Makawani. In terms of your mind, you would see Bomskatseno, the opportunity to team Bumela, in 17 was the organization you were without any difficulties. Makawan, who never sabotage controversy. You are advised and encouraged Uti Nabu Comrade Lava. Never report and recommend the leadership in my man. The man report and recommend who National High Command, including the advocate in Kote, which never comrade Bakeva invite Bazo Antar. Because when you are a disciplined member of the organization, you cannot sabotage your own organization. So back there, Makawani, how much you know them? I think Abanye, Skudena Abanye, Sanamandi. Ever comrade, whether how much those that person is with you. Tell him recommend if it's come to push, you can go straight to to report those comrades was going to answer. Because now I'm going to get appointed. It's not like in a contest, you know, it's no evidence to have a cast of number conference. Or Bafage who declared who voted the Marabigai observe. As now, she just have an appointment he had. And the corporate right for Malatena, not just how I told. So, Maras is over 7. When you complain, you are complaining about a meeting in way to ICNI, Minayasam Selenza, Nyabuza, which you are a process there. But the company is not going to be a very unique amount.
Introduce what Assume, Muntu shoot Ulo, we coordinator, the ambassador, they want to get
Amanda, Pilele msholozi Pilele. Sayithatha iGauteng, sayithatha iKumuleni. Sayithatha iGauteng, sayithatha Makabani. Nanko uComrade Colin Mashego uNdashina. Ward 68 Comrade khona la eDaveyton Twata. Ngiyabonga umaqabane wami.
Community convener.
Chikichela mkoto chikichela. Amanda. Sayithatha iGauteng sayithatha. Chikelele. Okay, to Boyo Dlamini Ward 31. The guy was so date, go to one. I'm very cast. How about in the cool I did? But I don't come me. But in the cool party, see what pushing about. Then I come out, Josie is the song is like so we push it. The spirit no more one. Give me now, one. The long for it. Yeah, but you're busy with him booze.
Comrade Sub-Regional Coordinator.
Chikichela, Ukoto Chikichela. Victory. Constituency yet.
Thank you very much, commanders. I don't know, is it an appointment or election interimly so in this position? And one thing I know about myself, I will not fail this sub-region. I'm here to learn as a young female, especially now being married. I will be sure I'm here and I'm standing and I will show.
Maybe Pinoni, Whiteville, abaningi ku top 4. Beseni nabaseti tonto beseni akhala why yabona. You may speak in additional space or it's a collective. Reason being that as easy into Makabani, you are informed by the military veteran. If you go a military veteran, if you are Whiteville and it commending, and it happens good to go a female. Never know to the years and life it ways. This military veteran is the female at the same time. Then come was again and Abu and Bulas Nakon Paranza common. Same money in the Wutin could understand that white is Makawan good commander. And then no maybe that's why I'm keeping up my consultation advices to you have command. You are creating a you are going to create expectation. But at the same time, I'm but you don't have the right and powers to appoint. You are going to recommend even a profile is also. Any time let's put deciding I am a profile, how to create political profile. We will try, see the patient, Labo, everybody people of Uniana, Seas with Bowis and Conto Family, Sibana the political profile. As long as Basni has a foundation, it's difficult to give the political profile of one family. Abanye says Swakumbos, who would Madam Ways, boy, secretary, at Nale, come with the political profile. We want to see who to another rooms of Kalegu. And it's not mean Uti, even if no Kale, because of comrades who are Susan, or also Catering out for the end. We're going to want to Basugas in Lina, as every platform in Buloti. What's national radio government? The Mara ANC has a peace matter of organization. I tell Marabon, Mamuya, we are Mutoko, a good vote. Temagabon, Utania, Hamba, you 80 vote, Yamuzuma, Imbonina Magasevenza, who praising Zuma, we are Mutomas tonight. I would a good caliber now, so that voting us a pin and vote to the ANC or a pin and vote to the PAC, whatever the organization that I vote there. So, Makavani, I think we see Sivara, Muti, Minezu Castro, Abu Combat Baba Batanda, voting fine and I'm living around Kudemas. Combat Milan Natiki, Minam Tanaba.